Okay, here's my hot take. The 2025 Dior Holiday Gift Set pouch is better than Chanel. It just is. Welcome to the Sunshine Fashion Love channel. I'm Jen, and I was so excited to pick up this year's Dior Holiday Gift Set. I got the lip kit, and they have quite a few different varieties, all within various price ranges. First of all, the packaging is just absolutely divine. I love the vintagey circus theme. It's got like gold, silver, was this like rose gold, metallic, stars. I just love it. What is not to love? And I'm gonna be real, I have purchased the Chanel gift sets in the past. This year, I don't know, I just think that the pouch design is uninspiring. It's kind of tired. It reminds me of pouches they did in previous years. It's got Chanel Beauté written on it. And here's the thing, these luxury brands know that people want to use these as little bags. Like there's been all kinds of YouTube videos where people want to convert their pouches into little handbags. Chanel has really been trying to dissuade people from doing that, taking away certain features like the tabs on the side so you can't add a chain or a D-ring very easily. But Dior they're just leaning into it. They're like, hey, we know people want to do this, go ahead. So yeah, check it out. I did a little unboxing video previously, but it comes in this really, really pretty box, which I love. And yeah, I got the Pink Glow Ritual set, which comes with the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer in pink, and then the Dior Addict Lip Glow in pink as well. And this is pretty much the same set I bought a couple years ago when it came with a really pretty navy blue velvety pouch. And look at, oh my gosh, this is so bomb. Like, I just love it. It's got a CD logo. Like, it looks nice. It doesn't have beauty written on it. It's gold. It's got this little top handle. You can fit a phone inside this. I mean, come on. I did a little what fits in this little pouch as well. And you can fit a lot of different things in here. And they made it easy with these tabs on the top. It kind of reminds me of like the vanity cases from LV, just this top style. The material itself is probably some sort of polyester mix, which is fine. I mean, it's a free gift with purchase, but I think the details on the Dior pouch are gorgeous. It's got all these metallic threads woven in here. This looks like a luxury pouch. I'm sorry, the Chanel one just ain't it for me. So I'm skipping all of the Chanel sets. That's why I decided to go with this one. All right, so you open it like this. I also got some free samples with my purchase. And here is what it came with. And I use lip products all the time, so I thought these would be perfect. And I'll compare this. This is what I purchased. I think they're slightly different shades, but these are my lip products from the previous gift set. And then this year, all right, you get the, yeah, gorgeous. And I actually do really like the lip products. They're on the pricier side if you just purchase them by themselves, but I think in the set, it makes it a fairly decent value. I do have some links down below where you can purchase the Dior sets. This is not at all sponsored. I do use affiliate links, but yeah, I just love this. I think this is a pretty universal color. I love pink. This is so me. Yeah, it came with all this. Yeah, check it out. You can fit a phone in here. So if you want to use this as a tiny little going out bag, or if you just want to use this as like a travel bag or cosmetic pouch like it's meant to, you can do that. Look at this. You got the gorgeous, I just love all the details on this. It's got gold zipper tape, and then you got these little gold star zipper pulls. I think the details on this pouch are amazing. And whoever designed this, I mean, kudos. You really made this appealing, and it's such a stark difference from the Chanel pouches. I'm like, how could you not want one of these? I'm gonna show you how to use this as a little bag. So you can either carry it just top handle like this, which is totally sufficient. I bought this medium kirigami style pouch, and it came with this chain, but this is sort of like the LV Felicie Pochette chain. So if you get something like this, it'll work. You kind of have to pinch these tabs a little bit. And that's how you can convert this little pouch into a really cute little evening shoulder bag. Nothing complicated. You don't have to add D-rings or any crazy external stuff. You just have to take a chain like this and then just clip it onto the top tabs here on the handle. Isn't this super cute? I just love the gold. Dior You really knocked it out of the park. This is an amazing holiday pouch. This screams holiday. That's the thing. The Chanel one really doesn't, I don't know, in my opinion. So super cute. Again, links below in the description box. They're available on the Dior site, plenty of other retailers. But if you do the Dior site, you get like the really nice luxe packaging. They have like this membership club thing, like a rewards program. I would recommend, if you can, get it from the Dior site. That's where I got mine, free shipping. So super cute. And this is how you can convert it into a little handbag. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about the Dior holiday gift sets. I'm Jen with the Sunshine Fashion Love channel. Check out some of my other videos here, and I will catch you again in the next one.